If you need a pair of headset or a headset that has like the microphone, these are a great deal. I really like these because, of course, you can make them bigger, you can make them, you know, smaller, fit your head. There's cushion up here, so it doesn't hurt your head. The cushion around the ears is amazing. I was having issues with headsets because of wearing my glasses, but it basically putting pressure on my ear and then putting pressure on my glasses, and it was just really causing some pain. These have been wonderful because they go around my entire ear. So you can't even, like, there's no pressure against it. Plus, with how squishy it is, I really like them. The mic is really nice as well because you can kind of bend it, like if you just need it out of the way, or you can put it closer to you. Also, you can just take it off. So if you don't need a mic, then you can just use them as headsets. I also like it. So they do have to be attached to your computer. They attach to your computer by using a USB cord. So it's pretty simple just to plug in. There's no software. There's like nothing for you to have to like download, plug it in, your computer detects it. But if you needed to get up real quick, of course you can take them off or just unplug them and go. Also easy if you have to pack and do something. They also have on them a like the volume, so you can change the volume from here. They also have this button here where you can mute it. So if you just don't get to that, it's a quick, you know, push in, push out for muting it and unmuting it. I think the best part of these is they're not that heavy. And because of wearing glasses and how soft the earpieces are, they really do make for a great headset. They're not heavy. They fit around my entire ear, so there's no pressure up against my ear itself. They are great for noise canceling. Working from home, I have 4 dogs, so I really can't have stuff just like coming in through here. I need to be able to hear well, and these really have been a great fit. I got them 3 years ago, so they definitely last a long time. So I highly recommend these headsets.
This is the headphones, and honestly, kind of like it. It's just a little bit, since I use it for more than 8 hours per day, it kind of hurt for a while after you have it in your head for about 2 to 3 hours. The headphones is very nice. People can hear me very clearly, and I like the location of the button. It's very easily to put the volume up and down, especially when it's very loud in it, and also you can mute yourself very quickly for unexpected coughing or if you don't want people to hear you. So overall, I very like it. The only negative I would probably say, it's not really negative, but it's just the fact that it hurt. But in terms of sound quality, I can hear very good. I wouldn't say it's one of the top headphones that I've used, but in terms of being good, I would say that sound quality is good for the price range.
And like I said, everything's detachable. You can plug into your USB or your microphone jack of your PC, or just plug it right into the controller. Like I said, it works for your Xbox, your PC, and your PlayStation. Like I said, it's a good quality for the price. You're only paying like 40-50 bucks, and it's cheaper than the Turtle Beaches, and that are like $200 something.
These EKSA 7.1 surround sound headphones are really great. They sound really good when you play video games or when you want to listen to music. And they already provide you with an aux cord as well as a video output. It even gives you a USB port, which would be great for connecting to your computer, which is perfect. And it gives you a lot of instructions of what you want to do with the headphones, or like just to learn more about it. And it even gives you a package so that you can protect your headphones with, which is really good, because in case you drop your headphones, what if they accidentally break and it gets damaged? You could just easily just put it in this pouch. It's safe. It's kind of stylish, you could use. And it has leather material, which is perfect.